Hello, my friends. How are you? Shailesh sir here. Today we are going to discuss the next part of the chapter Life Processes from class 10, biology. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss a very important part of your chapter that is known as kidney. So, kidneys. Nature has given us two kidneys. And what is the main function of these kidneys? So, kidneys main function is to purify the blood. It is known as filtration of blood. In scientific language, filtration of blood. So, what is filtration of blood? This kidney helps to separate all this waste material and harmful material from the blood. Even excess water also it separates from the blood, and it forms from this waste material and harmful this substances. It forms the urine in form of liquid form. It separates the harmful this waste material in form of this liquid form, which is known as urine. So main function of this kidneys are to filtrate the blood and separate all the waste material in form of urine. So urine is nothing. It is a liquid made up of all this waste material taken from the blood, harmful material, even excess water. All these, then finally they are thrown out from our body. We know it. This is the main function. Filtration of blood means purification of blood, and to separate all this waste material in form of urine. So they are forming urine by separating all this waste material from blood. That's why urine is waste material, liquid waste material that we throw it out. Okay. Now, which part of this kidneys helps this process of this filtration and formation of this filtration of blood and formation of urine? Urine is the waste material separated from the this blood, but in liquid form. That's why it is urine. Its 90% part is made up of water, excess water. Okay. Now this we are discussing which part of this kidneys are helping this process of this filtration of blood and separation of this waste material and formation of this urine. So, my friend, remember this word. So, there are small structural parts which are the main units of your kidney. Your kidney surface is made up of number of this minute structural part, which is known as nephron. What is nephron? They are the main fundamental unit. Which unit? Functional unit as well as structural unit of the kidney are known as nephron. Again, nephrons are the fundamental units of fundamental structural unit and functional unit of the kidney, which helps what? Filtration of blood and formation of urine and separation of this waste material from the blood. So blood is purified and waste is separated. Okay, here. So that nephron also contains which part of nephron? As nephron main function is the main function of the kidney, because main function of kidney is done by nephron. So whatever the function of kidney will be the function of nephron. Mind well. So now nephron has got some parts which helps this filtration and formation of blood and formation of this urine. So which part? So it has got the number of these coils of these capillaries, number of coils of these capillaries. So each coil is known as glomerulus. What is the name of this coil? Coil form all these capillaries in the form of this coil. All these capillaries in the form of coil, down coil. That is known as glomerulus. What is the name? Glomerulus. Remember this. Now, this glomerulus, which are nothing, they are the capillaries. What is the function of capillaries? With exchange of the blood, they give the nutrients to them and takes away the waste material. all the waste material they will taking it. So here the same function is done. Capillaries, after the exchange of this exchange with the blood, they takes away all the waste material from the blood and forms the urine. And then blood is purified and then sent back towards the heart. Okay. Now, towards the organs. Okay. Now, here, now, these Bowman, these glomerulus are nothing. They are the coils of number of capillaries. Okay. And their main function is to filtrate the filtration of blood by exchanging. Exchanging two things happen. Nutrients are given to the blood and the waste material is taken from the blood. Okay. Now, this blood which is urine which is formed by this glomerulus must be given out through some tubes or some pipes which we call tubes, small tubes. So there is one another part of your this nephron which is known as Bowman capsule. There is a cup-like structure which is known as Bowman capsule, in which this glomerulus, coil of glomerulus, these capillaries are located. And it is supported, this glomerulus is supported by a cup-like structure which is known as Bowman's capsule. What is the word? Bowman capsule. They help to pass this urine, whatever the urine is formed, waste material is formed in the form of liquid, that is passed by this function of this Bowman capsule. This Bowman capsule is connected with the tube, U-shaped tube. And then this all the urine which is separated is passed through with help of this Bowman capsule to pass through all these U-shaped tubes to the urine collecting tube. There is one another tube is given at the top of this U-shaped tube, which is connected with the urine collecting tube. This main function of this tube is whatever the urine, it is collected at its bottom, and its bottom is joined with the bladder, urinary bladder, bag, a bag-like structure in which all the urine is collected. So that is known as urinary bladder. And this urinary bladder is at the joint with the exterior part of this what we call exterior part of your kidneys, both the kidney, it comes out and joined with both the from left side one tube and right side one tube. You can see the figure. Okay, and they are both are joined with this small bag-like structure which collects this urine, which is known as urinary bladder. All the urine pass through these tubes, which is these tubes are exterior tubes are known as ureter, ureter and urethra. Both the name are almost similar. Practical meaning is same. So ureter. So from ureter they comes and finally collect this blood. Collect this urine. So when this your bag of urine, that is urinary bladder, is filled with house full, it become full with your urine waste material, liquid waste material. Then you will feel the pressure, and then you need to go to pass it out through, and you have to visit your bathroom or that whatever the place you are going for your passing urine. Okay. So this is the fundamental. So urine is passed through this urinary organ. So urine, what is the excretory organ for the urine, and what is the excretory organ for passing to your stool from your intestine, that also okay, no need to mention it. Okay. So here urine is passed. I think generally you have to visit 3-4 times during the day at least for urination, because it is must, whatever the liquid waste is collected, it must be thrown away to keep our body healthy and happy. It must not go back. All this waste material should not remix with the blood and in our body, then we will become unhealthy and sick. They become they work like a poison for us. Okay, so that's why it is a very important organ. Even the poisonous, by mistake you have eaten some poisonous substance or food, then also this poisonous element of this food is thrown out by this liquid waste material, urine, from our body. So you can be healthy. Harmful, poisonous, or all the waste material in form of liquid, which we call urine, they are passed with help of kidney. The kidney is helped by what their units, which is known as nephron, and nephron is made up of what, this glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, cup-like structure, and that is capillaries, coiled capillaries, which is like ice cream in the cup. Okay, looks like that. You must have to refer when I teach you biology. You have to refer the diagram from your textbook or even from Google also. You can take this. Then you will understand properly, because main focus is on function and structure. I see the idea, but you will get more clarity when you see the diagram. So diagram is must to be watched in this, must be seen in your textbook with label diagram, which part is what. Here you get the idea, general idea, and full functions about our these organs. Okay, so this was kidney, so which keeps us happy and healthy. So you must keep your kidney also healthy by taking water, whatever, lot of water. If it is excess, then it will be thrown away. But water is must for functioning of our kidney and forming this, throwing out this waste material. Okay, this is the science of our health. So today for kidney it is enough. Even here kidney, all about kidney is discussed. Now in next part we will discuss some other organ. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.